For the adjoining diagram, a triangular lamina is shown. The current relation between I1, I2 and I3 is I moment of inertia. A I1 greater than I2, B I2 greater than I1, C I3 greater than I1 and D I3 greater than I2. Here the diagram is given and the length of the sides are also given. There is BC has 3 units, AB has 4 units and AC has 5 units. So we can understand that AC is the longest side and BC is the shortest side. We know for a triangular lamina, the maximum moment of inertia will be for the shortest side. Shortest side is BC, which has moment of inertia I2, and minimum moment of inertia would be for the longest side. Here the longest side is AC and it has I3 as the moment of inertia. With this we can get the relation, that is I2 will be greater than I1 will be greater than I3 because this is the minimum. We can check the options. Here there is I1 greater than I2, which is not here. I2 greater than I1, which we can get from the answer. So answer is B.